Top 5 vegetables that repair kidney damage. Our kidneys work hard every day, but certain vegetables can help repair damage, reduce inflammation, and improve filtration naturally. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful vegetables, low in kidney stress and rich in healing nutrients, that can help protect and support your kidney health at any age. Number 1. Cauliflower. Detox support with low potassium. Cauliflower is one of the best vegetables for supporting kidney repair, especially for people with aging or weakened kidneys. One of its biggest advantages is that it is naturally low in potassium, making it safer for kidneys that struggle to balance minerals. This allows the kidneys to work more efficiently without extra strain. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support the body's natural detox process. Antioxidants protect kidney cells from oxidative damage, while fiber helps remove waste and toxins through digestion, reducing the workload on the kidneys. This combination makes cauliflower an excellent vegetable for improving filtration and overall kidney health. Another benefit of cauliflower is its ability to support acid balance in the body. Diets high in acidic foods can stress the kidneys over time, but cauliflower provides alkalizing compounds that help maintain a healthier internal environment. This is especially helpful for seniors or individuals with early-stage kidney concerns. Cauliflower is also very versatile and easy to include in meals. It can be steamed, roasted, mashed as a low-sodium alternative to potatoes, or added to soups and stir-fries. Cooking cauliflower lightly makes it easier to digest and gentler on the kidneys. Season with kidney-friendly herbs like garlic powder, turmeric, or lemon juice instead. Number 2. Cabbage. Anti-inflammatory kidney cleanser. Cabbage is one of the most kidney-friendly vegetables, especially for people dealing with aging or weakened kidneys. It is low in potassium, making it a safe choice for kidney health, while still providing powerful nutrients that support natural detoxification. Cabbage contains antioxidants, vitamin C, and sulfur compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect kidney tissues from further damage. One of cabbage's biggest benefits is its anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation puts constant stress on the kidneys and can worsen filtration problems over time. The natural phytochemicals in cabbage help calm this inflammation, allowing the kidneys to function more efficiently and gently flush out toxins. This makes cabbage especially helpful for people with early kidney damage or declining kidney function. Cabbage also supports digestion and gut health, which indirectly reduces the toxin load the kidneys must process. A healthier digestive system means fewer waste products entering the bloodstream, giving your kidneys less work to do. Whether eaten raw or cooked, cabbage provides hydration and fiber that support smoother filtration. Adding cabbage to your diet is simple. You can steam it lightly, add it to soups, stir-fries, or enjoy it raw in salads. Light cooking preserves nutrients while making it easier to digest. Stick to moderate portions and avoid adding excess salt, sauces, or processed seasonings, which can strain the kidneys. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Antioxidants without kidney stress. Red bell peppers are one of the best vegetables for repairing and protecting kidney health, especially for people with weakened or aging kidneys. What makes them unique is that they are low in potassium, yet extremely rich in powerful antioxidants. This means they nourish the kidneys without putting extra stress on them. Red bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and carotenoids, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage inside kidney tissues. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to kidney damage over time, and the antioxidants in red bell peppers work to neutralize harmful free radicals, helping protect and repair delicate kidney cells. Another benefit is their support for blood vessel health. Healthy blood flow is essential for proper kidney filtration, and the nutrients in red bell peppers help maintain flexible, healthy blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients efficiently to the kidneys. Red bell peppers are also easy to digest and naturally low in sodium, making them ideal for kidney-friendly diets. You can enjoy them raw in salads, lightly sautéed, roasted, or added to soups and stir-fries. Their natural sweetness enhances meals without the need for salt or processed sauces. By including red bell peppers regularly, you're giving your kidneys powerful antioxidant protection, reduced inflammation, and gentle nutritional support, all without increasing potassium load. Number 4. Garlic, natural kidney protector. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural foods for protecting and supporting kidney health. It contains sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. These properties are especially important for people with aging or weakened kidneys, as chronic inflammation can accelerate kidney damage over time. One of garlic's biggest advantages is its ability to support kidney function without adding sodium. Many people rely on salt for flavor, but excess sodium puts extra strain on the kidneys and raises blood pressure. Garlic enhances taste naturally, helping reduce salt intake while still making meals enjoyable. Lower sodium intake directly supports healthier kidney filtration and fluid balance. Garlic also helps improve blood circulation, ensuring that kidneys receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Better circulation supports efficient waste removal and toxin filtration. In addition, garlic's antioxidant properties help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are commonly elevated in kidney stress and metabolic conditions. Use fresh garlic cloves in cooking. Add it to vegetables, soups, and lean proteins, or lightly saute it in olive oil. For maximum benefit, allow crushed garlic to sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate its beneficial compounds. Avoid garlic powders or salty garlic seasonings, as these often contain added sodium that can counteract kidney benefits. Number 5. Onions. Improves filtration and reduces toxins. Onions are a simple yet powerful vegetable that can play an important role in supporting kidney repair and improving filtration. They are naturally low in potassium, which makes them a safe and kidney-friendly option for people with weakened or aging kidneys. At the same time, onions are rich in antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds that help the kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently. One of the key benefits of onions is their high content of quercetin, a potent antioxidant known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation can damage kidney tissues over time, but quercetin helps protect kidney cells and supports smoother filtration of waste products from the blood. This makes onions especially helpful for slowing kidney damage and supporting long-term kidney health. Onions also support circulation, which is essential for healthy kidney function. Better blood flow means the kidneys receive adequate oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to filter waste more effectively. Additionally, onions have mild natural diuretic properties, which can help reduce fluid retention and toxin buildup without overstimulating the kidneys. Including onions in your daily meals is easy. They can be eaten raw in salads, lightly sautéed with vegetables, added to soups, or used as a base for kidney-friendly dishes. Cooking onions gently helps preserve their beneficial compounds while making them easier to digest. By adding onions to your diet regularly, you're supporting better filtration, reducing toxin load, and protecting your kidneys naturally, all with an affordable, everyday vegetable that fits easily into a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Adding these vegetables, cauliflower, cabbage, red bell peppers, garlic, and onions, to your meals can help reduce kidney stress and support natural healing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, kidney-friendly health tips.